Hey, what's up, guys? Jonathan here. Just wanted to kind of give an update, see how you guys are doing. I know these are crazy times we're living in, so I hope you all are staying safe. I had a few thoughts on maybe a few videos I could do during this time. I don't know if you guys exactly, I was trying to think of what would benefit you guys exactly, so I thought I'd just post this video and let you guys comment and let me know in the comments what would be helpful for you guys during this time. So if you guys haven't gotten the ebook, I mean, this is a great time if you have some time on your hands to start learning that skill. I've been uh, less busy during this time, but my work hasn't really grinded to a halt, which I'm really grateful for. One of my dealerships, a Land Rover dealership that I have, I do a lot of work for them, and I had been really busy to start this year, so I've kind of been pushing off their work a little bit, just doing a little bit here and there. So the work was stacking up, which worked really great for me. So I'm doing a lot of their work right now. A lot of customers canceled for me, but I'm still getting calls and I'm still getting scheduling a few here and there. So that's good. But I just talked to my marketing guy and we're going to be doing another marketing campaign to try to get some more work going. So that's kind of the stuff I'm doing here. But my thoughts were with you guys as well, just kind of seeing where you guys are at. So just comment, let me know what's going on with you guys. If you'd like, I'll show you what I'm doing here. So I just sanded this with 180. It's a tailgate, lower tailgate of a Range Rover Sport. Um, so these are deep, so I'm just going to put a little fill repair um, on that, sand it down, 320 it, scuff it, prime it, paint it, and call it a day. So hope you guys are doing good. Let me know in the comments what you guys are up to and what would be helpful if I can help with anything. Take it easy.